In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify conversion tracking in Google Analytics. The goal here is to make your reporting cleaner and more meaningful by focusing on the few actions that truly represent business value. In Google Analytics, these important actions are called key events. When you mark the right events as key events, you can quickly see what is driving results without getting distracted by less important activity. Start by opening Google Analytics and selecting the correct property for the website or app you want to measure. Once you are in the interface, look to the lower left area and click Admin. This is where you manage settings that affect how your data is organized and displayed. Inside Admin, go to the section called Data Display, then select Events. This Events screen is where Google Analytics lists the events it is receiving, including both automatically collected events and custom events that you may already be sending from your site. Now take a moment to scan the list and find the event that represents real business value for you. Common examples are file_download, if you care about downloads of a brochure, guide or price list, or form_submit, if a completed form is a strong sign of a lead. The key is to choose an action that clearly matters to your business goals, not just something that happens frequently. When you find the event you want to prioritize, turn on the toggle labeled Mark as Key Event. Switching this on tells Google Analytics to treat that event as an important outcome, which makes it easier to track performance and compare results across channels and campaigns. As you do this, keep your list of key events small and focused. Only mark 3 to 5 events as key. If you mark too many, you create data noise. That makes reports harder to interpret and can hide the events that actually drive revenue or qualified leads. A good rule is to choose events that match the most important stages of your funnel, such as lead submissions, signups, or high-intent downloads. Once your key events are set, your conversion tracking becomes much simpler and easier to trust at a glance. And that covers everything you need to know.